Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M13 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's simply tap on the display. Now let's scroll down in order to find the screen timeout. Let's tap on this option, and as you can see here we've got some timeout options from which we can choose. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds, which are I would say quite short, and 1 to 5, 10 or 30 minutes. So currently I've got the 30 minutes option applied. As you can see, this option is marked, and all you have to do in order to change it is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will pick 5 minutes for example. As you can see, it is currently marked, and after getting back it is also notified right here, which means that from now on your device will black out after 5 minutes of inactivity. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Samsung Galaxy M13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.